The sum of three positive integers is 11, and the sum of the cubes of these numbers is 251. Find all such triples of numbers. So to start the question, what I can do is we can write down the cubes of the numbers and see if, you know, like how it goes. So if I write, like, start from 1, of course, so 1 cube is 1, and you have 2 cube is 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. You have 3 cube is 9 times 3, 27. You have 4 cube is 4 times 4, 16 times 4, 64. You have 5 cube is 25 times 5, 125. You have 6 cube is 6 times 6 is 36 times 6 is 216. So, and then if I do 7 cube, I would get 49 times 7, and that is 63, 620, 34. So I get 343. So this is not included because it is more than 251, so I will remove 7 cube because it will not fit in. So if I look at now these numbers, these cubes, how can I get 251 out of these? So of course I will include 216. And what else shall I include? So if I do 251 minus 216, I would get 5 and 4, 35. So that means I need two numbers which would give me 35, and they are 8 and 7. So therefore we can write 216 plus 27 plus 8 is 251, and this is 6 cube plus 3 cube plus 2 cube is 251, and 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11. So this meets our condition. So we got our one triple or one set of numbers. The next number, if now can we do anything else with the 6? It doesn't seem likely, it doesn't seem possible. So what about the next big number? It's 125. The next big 64. If we add them, we are nowhere going to get 64, 27, 28. We can do 64 times 2, and that would give us 128. So it is 2 less. And so if we try 125, this seems simple enough. That is 250 plus 1. So we can also write that. Then we can get 125 plus 125 plus 1 would give us 251. And what we can do is 5 cube, that is 5 cube plus 1 cube is 251, and 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So we got our second set of numbers. Any other number, any other possibility? Well, if we have this 8 plus 8 plus 8, we're not going to get 11. We can get 9 plus 1 plus 1, but that doesn't give us anything because 9 cube is 81 times 9, 729. It's too high. So if we were to go 8 plus 3, 8 plus 2 plus 1, again we won't, because 8 cube is way more than 251, so we can't. So 7 we can't do. So 6 cube we've managed, 5 cube, and doesn't seem like there are any more possibilities. So the two possible options are 5 and 6, 3, 2, 5 and 5 and 1, and 6 and 3 and 2.